This is a big day for me. 1 month and 3 days ago, this is where I sprained my 2 wrists. Not going to go into a lot of detail. I haven't been back here since. Certain areas I will probably never go back to again. I still have the wrist brace on. 2 wrists sprained. A lot of injury internally to the arms from slamming onto the ground in the street. So yeah, this is tough coming back here for the first time. And it's definitely going to change how I plane spot and where I go and what I do. So there's that. Alright, so if you've been following my channel, you know that my dog was extremely sick the last 2 weeks. I thought she was going to die. It's been a really hard 2 weeks, plus dealing with the sprained wrist for the last month, and the other stuff because my mom's aging, and I'm dealing with that. So I'm going to come out here and stay here for about, well, I'm already out here. I'm going to stay here for a few minutes and maybe grab a few airplanes landing. Really can't get much taken off. We're over at the In-N-Out out here. Absolutely nothing's lined up right now. This is kind of weird. If you like my channel and you want to support me, which nobody does, you know what to do. There's nothing lined up. Why am I out here? There's absolutely nothing lined up. There's nothing lined up. Maybe I should just go get a haircut and get the heck out of here. Maybe I should just go home. Spend my time with the dog. And why come out here and record for people that have yet to do a super chat? I've been doing this for how many years? Not one super chat. Not one donation. Not one. Nobody's given me anything. All right, that's it.